You can now clone a Pump.fun token in Ninchos in about 10 seconds. So I've used this for these tokens here, where it's just a matter of cloning the coin, waiting to see if anyone buys, and selling the supply on their heads, and rinse and repeat. Ridiculously easy way to make 1 or 2 sol on repeat. It's not going to work every time, but if no one buys within the first few minutes, you'll be just sell your supply and try another one. It's so low effort and so quick to just repeat that you can easily do it over and over. So here's how you actually do it. You can take a trending coin, copy the contract address, quick token metadata, quick clone token, paste the address, and the info is auto-filled for you. Then just save and click launch, and you're literally done. This way, you don't have to think of a new idea. You don't have to create a website, Twitter, Telegram, etc. You're just piggybacking on what has already been proven to work. There are other sites that let you clone tokens like this, where you have to set up the liquidity pool yourself, and they're going to charge you $50 to $100 every time you create a new coin. So if it doesn't work out, you're out all of that money, and it will add up pretty fast. Once you have Neen tools, it costs nothing to do this. I'm not sure when you're watching this video, but they have a limited time launch offer for 50% off going on right now. And once that's over, the price will be doubling to 8 Solana for the lifetime life. If you have any interest in launching a meme coin in the future, this is a great chance to grab the best launcher and bumbo tool before the price goes up. They also currently offer a 1-week rental license so you can try it out and launch on coins. And then if you like it, you can buy the full license. But it looks like there's no discount on that. Again, I have no affiliate link or anything for them. I just use the software and know it's by far the best out there. Link is in the description if you want to see if they still have this deal going. I'm pretty sure it's ending soon, so I just wanted to let you know. To my next video, I'm going to show you how you can get marketing done to promote your token without having to do any of the actual work. This basically guarantees that your coin will attract enough buyers for you to make money every single time. Make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss that. I'm also giving away 3 Solana to 1 subscriber who have liked this video and comments below, so make sure to do that as well. Okay, that's all for now. Bye.